Check out the 2026 Ford Ranger Supercrew 4x4 XL, finished in a crisp Oxford white. This truck is powered by a 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine and an electronic 10-speed automatic transmission. It features the STX Appearance Package, fog lamps, and a convenient integrated box side step. Book a test drive today at MSA Ford in the Fraser Valley Auto Mall, right here in Abbotsford. Ready to conquer the roads from the Sumas Mountain trails to the streets of Mission? This Ranger is built with a fully boxed steel frame and 128-inch wheelbase to handle any adventure in the Fraser Valley. You'll stand out with 17-inch silver-painted aluminum wheels and 255/70R17 all-terrain tires, while the tough bed spray and bedliner and trailer tow package ensure you're ready for work or play. Inside, the ebony cloth interior is designed for functionality, featuring an ActiveX floor covering for easy cleanup after a day at Hayward Lake. You get a tech-forward cabin with a 10-inch center display, an 8-inch cluster display, and a 6-speaker audio system. It even includes rear bench seating with under-seat storage and a lock and glove box to keep your gear secure. Safety is a priority with the safety canopy airbag system, a perimeter anti-theft alarm, and the SecureLock anti-theft system. For the driver, the lane keeping system, pre-collision assist with automatic emergency braking, and selectable drive modes provide peace of mind whether you're navigating Highway 1 or local back roads. One question we often hear is, what towing and utility features come with this Ranger XL? This model is equipped with a dedicated trailer tow package, an integrated box side step for easy access, and pickup box tie-down hooks. It also features front tow hooks and a rear-view camera to make hitching up your trailer a breeze. MSA Ford, serving the Fraser Valley for 75 years.